Hey y'all, welcome to my Silk Press 2022. You know, I washed my hair, I blew it out, put all that good stuff in there, but this is my first time actually doing like my ends, trimming my own ends. Like I've cut my own hair, all that stuff, but I never really successfully trimmed my own ends. So we're gonna get into it. So pretty much what I'm gonna do right now is take a piece from this side and a piece from the middle of this side, which is known as a guide. Okay, so my guide is down here, so I'm gonna cut this. I'm trying not to make a mess with this hair. So now I'm going to do the same thing. Go right here, move around, and it looks like this is what needs to be cut off. I know y'all, this side might look shorter than this side. And see, this is why I don't cut my own hair, because I do not care about my hair, like the length. So I end up cutting too much. Okay, that should be the same thing. So I pretty much followed this guide the whole trim. You know, you make that one guide, you follow it the whole way. It's very much so giving hard to do. Y'all, it took me an hour to trim my ends, like the angles and all that stuff. And you know what it is? It's because when you learn something like the technical way, the right way to do it, it's kind of hard to like freestyle and do it a different way. But it ended up working out. Like, as you can see, I really cut the same amount off all around my head, which is what you want with a trim. I mean, look at how my hair is falling. You can definitely tell that it's even and the trim is trimming. So don't come for me. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my hair is like slowly reverting. Like it's turning into an afro. Like my hair gets on my nerves. So this is why I do not do my hair. I'll actually, by this time, I was actually supposed to have my hair done like probably twice, and the girl canceled on me. So nah, I just ended up doing it myself, and I've decided that I'm probably gonna continue to do my own trims, my own silk press. Honestly, I'm about to try to do my own braids. I'm about to do it all. Like, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I got this. I can do it. I get those goosebumps every time. I got a story for y'all, but before we get into it, all I'm doing is going around my perimeter and pressing out my edges, around the ears, the nape of my neck, and then I start the silk press, right? So this was actually a silk press fail because y'all gonna see me grab my wax stick. My ends be needing like a little bit of TLC. That's why I'm using a brush as well and not a comb to do the chase method. I was using that wax stick on my ends, and y'all, I got a little heavy-handed. And baby, when I tell you this thing came out stiff, I was like, oh, okay. So what I had to do was I had to get some dry shampoo, because dry shampoo, you know, soaks up all the oil, and it kind of saved it a little bit. Like, my silk presses don't last, so you know, it's not like I was expecting to like wear it for like 2 weeks or anything. But if ever you in a situation where you make your hair too early, girl, get some dry shampoo, please.
Too much.
I know the girls are about to be mad in the comments because I used more heat for styling. Sure did. What did you expect me to do? And it was on 380-400. I don't care. I don't have any heat damages. I know what I'm doing. Y'all see me do that one pass, okay? It works for me. Do what works for you. Worry about your own rut, your own roots. Worry about yourself. But yeah, all I did was throw some little, little bends in there, a little flippy flop. And that's me doing a dry shampoo, combing it in. And it actually did save it. Like, it turned out real nice. You'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you took some tips. It won't really be a tutorial, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I'll talk to y'all next video.